We are measuring an egg on an electric balance, and we're using a block to hold the egg up. The balance is zeroed out. Now we're going to place the egg on the balance, and it comes out to be 54.54 grams. We are measuring the circumference of an egg, the long circumference, and we're wrapping around. We're going to mark it. Now we're going to measure the short circumference of an egg and wrap it around, and we're going to mark it. And then we're going to measure the circumference and see in centimeters and see what the egg is. The long circumference comes out to be 15 centimeters, and the short circumference turns out to be 12.5 centimeters.
We place the egg in vinegar and it's set for 2
We're
days.
now going to take the egg out of the vinegar and rub the shell off of the membrane. We are measuring the long and short circumference of the egg after it's been set in vinegar for 2 days and the shell has been rubbed off. The long circumference is about to be measured now. Now the short circumference. Now we're going to sit the egg back in the vinegar and measure the circumference in centimeters. We are measuring the short circumference in centimeters, and it measures to be 16 centimeters. Now we're going to measure the long circumference, and it measures to be 18 centimeters. We are placing the box on the scale to measure the egg after it's been in vinegar, and it is now zeroed out. Now we're going to place the egg after it's been in vinegar on the scale and measure it, and it comes out to be 78.52 grams. Now the beaker is being dried, and it's going to be filled with water. The egg is going to be placed in the water. The egg has been sitting in tap water for a day. After the egg has been sitting in water for a day, we are going to mask the egg. And it comes out to be 79.29 grams. We are going to measure the long circumference and the short circumference of the egg after it's set in water for a day.
The egg floats in this we can just float a little bit because it is less dense.
We can just pretend to measure it on that.
Now the short circumference.
Oh yeah, because she has the.
Yeah, but we're just doing this because we had it.
The long circumference comes out to be 18 centimeters, and the short circumference comes out to be 16.5 centimeters. We are going to pour a 40% sucrose solution over the egg. The egg has been sitting in sucrose for a day. We are now matching the egg on the electric balance, and it comes out to be 75.15 grams. We are now going to measure the long circumference and the short circumference of the egg after it's been sitting in sucrose for a day. The long circumference.
We have like a minute left.
The short circumference.
I erased it. I knew it was gonna be nasty.
Now we're going to put it on the ruler and see how big it is. The short circumference measures to be 15 centimeters, and the long circumference measures to be 18 centimeters.